Alam mo, Joey, kaming mga babae mas malalakas ang loob. Magkaroon lang kami ng pagkakataon. Connie will be all right. I'm sure of that.
I wish I had your self-confidence.
Goodbye, Joey.
Hello?
Candy,
Joey?
meron akong gustong i-propose sa'yo.
Oh? Malaking kontrata ba yan? Magpa-participate ba tayo sa government bidding?
No. It's much bigger than that. It's a marriage contract. Between one Candida Salvador and Jose Antonio Delgado.
Joey, hindi ako nakikipagbiruan sa'yo, ha?
My wife left me. Nagpunta siya sa States para kumuha ng divorce. And I'm sure she'll get it. So that's it. Soon I will be free to marry you. But first things first. Will you marry me? My daughter is here. I want to talk things over with her. I'll call you.
19 years of marriage, Dad. Basta ganun na lang.
I've been wanting to talk to you about this a long time now. Mabutit narinig mo. Hindi ko binalak ilihim sa'yo. After all, you are my daughter. You have a right to know.
Hindi na kailangan, Dad. Matagal ko na alam. Ang hindi ko lang matanggap ay ang pinagpalit mo ang pamilya mo sa babae mo.
Connie! Connie? Iha! Connie, wait! Listen to me. I have a right to lead my own life too, you know.
What about me? What about my life? I'm only 16. But the way both of you have been living your separate lives, para bang I don't exist. I just wish I were dead.
Iha. I didn't know you smoke.
Marami naman nangyayari sa bahay na to na hindi mo alam. Because you don't care. You're never around. I guess you're too busy with your...
Don't be like that, Iha. But I understand. I know you have a strong sense of loyalty for your mother. Dapat naman. I understand your fears. Natural lang yun. Balang araw, maiintindihan mo rin ako. When you are older,
Older? Paano ngayon, Dad? Samantalang bata pa ako, anong gusto mong gawin ko? Hindi naman maaari yung parang wala akong nakikita, o wala akong naririnig, o wala akong nararamdaman. You're my father. Mahal kita. Mahalaga ka sa akin. Kasing halaga ng mami ko. Pero ayoko mabuhay ng katulad ng buhay ninyo. Gusto ko yung buhay na may direksyon. Dad, I don't want a broken home. I don't want this kind of lifestyle. Gusto kong maging normal. Merong isang ama. Merong isang ina. Pwede pa ba yun, Dad? Please.